Hello, Assalamu alaikum. We are live at Adelaide. We have two captains. On my left side, the captain of England, Mohammad Rayan, and the captain of on my right side, captain of Mohammad Australia, Captain Mohammad Bilal. We have toss here, coins. Heads is a call. We have tail. Mohammad Rayan won the toss, and what did they have?
I'm gonna bat first on the hard pitch because hard pitch is a batting pitch. So we're gonna bat first.
What do you think? How much target will be defendable here?
I think that 150 up. So we can maybe we will we will make our score to 180 and to 190.
Any change in the team?
Yes, we have changed. We have changed Jason Roy in the place of Jason Roy, Alex Hale, and in the place of Ian Morgan is Liam Dawson.
Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Hello, Bilal. What
Yes.
have you do? Have you won the toss?
It's not a problem if we would have won if we would also bat first.
Okay. Any change in the team?
There's one change. The Steven Smith is going back to his home, and we have Chris Lynn in the place of him.
Last match you play, you really have your team have good combination. What do you think? You can same team will continue or change the combination?
Yes, we will change the combination. David Warren and Chris Lynn will open.
Okay, thank you. Here we come, and from Adelaide we have that the Mohammad Bilal won lose the toss, and Mohammad Ryan elected to bat first. Thank you.